450 grams, chicken liver, wash, and 1 min, boiled. After boiled, flame on, and water should be dry. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, crushed. Add a 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds, crushed. Mix well. After dry water, add oil 7 to 8 teaspoons. And fry. Add 1 teaspoon ginger, crushed. Fry on medium flame. Add curry powder 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric powder, 2 pinches. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Mix spices in oil. Mix and fry well. Add 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped. Mix well. Add a 1/4 cup water. Mix well. Add salt to taste. Cover with the lid for 5 minutes. So tasty. Like, share, subscribe. Kaleji Fry, Kun Food Official.